Today, I will show you how to create this kind of cinematic action video completely free using Grok, Seedance and Google Veo3. So keep watching the video until the very end.
Alright, we've successfully navigated to the mobile screen. We're now going to click on the three lines and then we'll proceed to click on the generate video option. It's taking just a moment to load up. As you can clearly see, it currently displays Grok image video right here. So let's go ahead and click on the change option. We'll primarily be using Grok Imagine Video 1.5, and with this particular tool, we will generate the video. And here, there are many different AI tools available that we commonly use to create videos. So I've gone ahead and selected Grok's Imagine 1.5 here. Now we need a start image. We have to provide an image for creating our video. So I've selected the image and then the duration in seconds and finally the resolution. So if I select 6 seconds from this particular option, it will then deduct a total of 270 credits from our balance. And if I proceed to select 7 seconds, it will then deduct 315 credits from this very spot. We are going to keep it at exactly 6 seconds. I am once again clicking on the second option and I have selected 6 seconds and we have provided our cinematic prompt. After giving the prompt, we've now set the video to generate and now we will proceed to do one more task. So now it's visible that my video is generating. Now we'll generate another video using Seedance. We'll play both videos together. For this, I'm clicking again and again on the generate video option. The prompt is still the same. We are going to change the model once again. For Seedance 2.0, we are clicking on this option. After clicking, you'll notice it says reference to video here, and that is currently selected. We will then proceed to click on the frame to video option. And in this particular section, we will not be using any image. We will not be utilizing either a starting image or an ending image. My pro prompt, as you can see, remains exactly the same as before. And here I want to keep it for just 6 seconds. I'm clicking on the generate video option now. Okay, our Grok video has now been successfully created. So you were able to see Grok's video. Now I'll show you the video we created using Seedance. So please watch that. So, as you can see, I've created this video using Seedance. Now, Google is offering you completely free of charge 50 credits every single day, and you can create unlimited videos using Google. I have selected the resolution from here by navigating to Google. Then, within Google's Google Flow, I've chosen to use the Omni Flash version, and I'm going to create a video that will be exactly 6 seconds long. For this, we'll use the exact same prompt, the very same script, which I'm now pasting here. There, it's pasted. So as you can clearly see, the video has been generated incredibly quickly.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and to get all our new AI tutorials, make sure to turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.